Hello, and thank you for choosing Spot on Roofing and Solar. We appreciate the opportunity to assist you with your roofing needs. Today, I'll guide you through the process of qualifying for a free full roof replacement. First step is the initial assessment. Our qualified inspector will visit your property to assess and verify any storm damage. This step is crucial in determining the eligibility for a roof replacement. Once the storm damage is verified, our inspector will assist you in calling your insurance company to file a claim. You'll be provided with a claim number, and a field inspector will be assigned to further inspect the damage. Upon approval of the claim, we'll work with you to sign a roofing agreement. This authorization allows us to communicate with the insurance adjusters on your behalf. Our Spot on Roofing and Solar inspector will meet with the field adjuster on the scheduled date to ensure a thorough inspection. This step is crucial in getting the claim approved. After approval, a detailed scope of work will be emailed or mailed to you. Please forward it to us for review to ensure that nothing is omitted. In the next meeting, we'll go over the scope of work, discuss color and material options, and sign the final agreement. The first payment is made at this stage. Once the agreement is signed, we'll order the required materials. Before installation, someone will come out to verify the order. Your project is then scheduled for installation. Upon completion, pictures will be taken to document the finished work. You'll be asked to sign a certificate of completion, which will be sent to your insurance company for documentation purposes. Finally, the insurance company issues the final payment, and we, in turn, receive the final payment. This concludes the process, and your new roof is ready to provide you with lasting protection. Thank you for choosing Spot on Roofing and Solar. We look forward to ensuring your satisfaction throughout this process. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask.